Namaskaram. In this video, I'm going to talk about Virechana, that is herbal laxative therapy. Virechana is second part of purification therapy. After Vaman Kriya, we administer Virechan. Virechan is usually done after 5 to 7 days of oilation therapy and after Vaman therapy. So the ama and the toxins which are still in the body after the Vaman therapy, they are taken out with the help of this Virechan therapy. Virechan therapy is it is for cleaning the gastrointestinal tract. The organs which are related to pitta, like gallbladder, small intestine, liver, pancreas, duodenum, they all are thoroughly cleansed by this therapy, by this Virechan therapy, and the ama is collected from all these organs by the help of Virechan therapy, and then the ama is excreted out of the body, expelled out of the body by gastrointestinal tract, by the rectum. So this Virechan is basically for more for people who are having pitta constitution. Like Vaman therapy was especially for people with kapha constitution, but Virechan is especially for people with pitta constitution, pith constitution. But it is administered in all the people. It's just we use a different combination of the laxatives. Like for example, for people who are having vata disorder, so the laxative like Sina are given to them, because while doing this Virechan therapy, apan vayu can be collected, and vata disorder sometimes can get aggravated. So that time what we have to do, we can just give some cold water. We can just sprinkle some cold water on the head of the patient and just ask them then to just sip some warm water and just sprinkle some cold water on the head, so just to cool down that apan vayu. For people who are related to kapha disorder, so we give them the laxatives, the herbal laxatives which are astringent in the taste. And for people who are having pitta disorder, the laxatives they are given to them are usually are like usually sweet in the taste. And the people who are having vata disorder, they usually get the laxatives which are salty, which are oily in the taste. And with people for kapha, pungent in the taste, bitter in the taste. So there are some common medicines also which everybody can have for the laxative, but I always advise this Virechana therapy to be administered by somebody who is very experienced in Panchkarma. So even if you are taking this class, so before you administer this therapies like Vaman and this Virechan therapy, you should be also taking some some practical knowledge, some practical learning. Just be with some Ayurveda doctor for some days before having your own Panchkarma therapy with Panchkarma center, like these things, just to get the practical knowledge, because not all the practical knowledge I can just give you through the videos. You will get this with your experience also, with your experience with the patients also. When we administer this Virechana therapy, so the patient should take it with the empty stomach. And if the Virechan doesn't start after taking the laxative, so patient can have some rock salt water, or can just have some warm water on his navel. So then this Virechan start. So even after taking this laxative herbals, we should closely watch the patient, that how much he has taken and how much he is excreting. And like in the end of the Virechan process, the mucus should come out. That means the kapha is going out. So the end happens like this in the Virechan therapy. Virechan should be avoided to give people who are already having diarrhea, those who are very weak, debilitated, or those who are very obese, somebody who's having acute heart condition, so for them also, and somebody who's too young for it or too old for it, or just to the pregnant woman or who has just given the birth, so this virechen therapy should be avoided giving to them. Virechen is good just after the end of the summer. So if we administer virechen therapy just after the end of the summer, so the results are far more effective. And virechen we can just categorize like in three sort of herbal things, like mirdu, that is just mild laxative. Then we have the one medium laxatives. Then we have tikshan, like we are giving the laxatives that is very how say, that are very strong laxative, but this strong laxative they can have some side effects also, like they can cause nausea, they can cause like pain in the abdomen, like very much discomfort also. So these laxatives, like in virechen, when we use the mild laxatives, so we can just call them laxatives, and when we are using the strong herbs, then we can call them purgative. like s- like like suppose you are giving the hot castor oil, so that is in good amount, so that is like a very strong laxative, so that you can call like purgative. For the pitta disorder, like skin diseases, tumors, jaundice, uh, uh, like epilepsy also, this virechen therapy is very good for them. So in Ayurveda we have a list of like at least hundreds of medicines which we can use for the laxative purpose. So that you can just see in the notes, like many medicines are there, like triphala also there, even aloe vera also people can consume for this. So the list you can see in the other notes. Thank you.